Hi Hadi, today we're going to draw a nice picture of the evening scenery. You can see this is a solid wooden block, solid wood, and I am using this as a canvas. So previously I have just drawn some previous things like the background and the sun I put in here. Now I'm going to make the whole scenery visible. Okay, so let's start the drawing. First I'm going to put the lamp post over which the birds are flying. You can see the lamp post here. Mhm. Coming up bit straight to the bottom. All right. Okay. The poles, you can see just straight here. All right. And a triangular platform, you can see the connection. Mhm. Okay. All right. Now the lines of the electrical lines is like this. Okay. Parallel lines looks like this. Mhm. And the few thinner lines here. Okay. And these lines ends up here, so let's draw the finishing lines. All right, make it a longer. Okay, so you can see the so many lines of the electrical signals. All right, and we can see few birds are sitting here and few birds are flying, so let's put the birds. uh and few are flying in the high. All right, also some are flying at the below. Okay, now we are going to draw the house lines, which is in a perspective, you can see here. Okay, So drawing the city lights in the evening sky. Mhm. So few details you can see here. Okay, we're making it little darker. Okay, making it little darker because of the evening times. So you can see the city lights. Okay. All right, so the usual outlines and the drawings you can see. It's a very basic scenery, a house and some birds flying on the top on a electrical pole, and it's the evening time and some birds are sitting on the pole and some are flying. So this is a very nice drawing, a solid wooden block, and it's a acrylic color. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.